Find the domains upon which the function f of x is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 36x plus 30 is concave and those for which it is convex. So, this is our function. This is the first derivative of that function. And this is the second derivative of the function. If we put the second derivative equal to 0, we'll identify an oblique point of inflection, which, as we've discussed, is where the concavity of the curve changes. So 12x is 6, giving me x is a half. We can draw y equals 12x minus 6. So it's got a positive gradient and a y-intercept at negative 6, and the x-intercept we've just found is at a half. So up here, the second derivative is positive, because remember, this is a graph of the second derivative. And down here, the second derivative is negative. So the curve will be concave when x is less than a half, because that's where the second derivative is negative, and convex where x is greater than a half. Now let's look at the original function. We can see that this portion is concave and this portion is convex. And what we found is that here, somewhere here at x is a half, that's the oblique point of inflection where the concavity changes.